Have you ever wondered what makes the United Kingdom one of the most enchanting travel destinations in the world? From the rugged cliffs of Scotland to the rolling hills of England, the UK is a land of contrasts with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this island nation a must-visit for any discerning traveller. I bet you didn't know how much history you can uncover in London. Our first stop takes us to the beating heart of the United Kingdom, London. Journey through time as you stroll past Buckingham Palace, the majestic residence of the Queen, and imagine the grandeur of royal processions. The Houses of Parliament, an iconic symbol of British democracy, stand tall on the banks of the River Thames, their Gothic architecture a testament to the city's rich history. And who can forget the Tower of London, a fortress steeped in centuries of history, its imposing walls whispering tales of intrigue, imprisonment, and execution. Venture into the trendy neighbourhoods of Shoreditch and Camden, and you'll discover a thriving street art scene, vintage markets buzzing with life, and a culinary landscape that will tantalise your taste buds. Please click subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. From the bustling streets of London, we journey north to Edinburgh, Scotland's captivating capital. Perched atop a volcanic crag, Edinburgh Castle dominates the skyline, its ancient stones whispering tales of battles fought and victories won. As you wander through the Royal Mile, the city's historic spine, the spirit of Scotland's past comes alive. Every August, the Edinburgh Fringe Festival transforms the city into a global stage, with thousands of performers showcasing their talents in a dazzling array of shows. And for those seeking a taste of Scotland's famed whisky, a visit to the Scotch Whisky Experience is a must. A sensory journey through the history and production of this beloved spirit. Leaving the city behind, we venture into the heart of England's Lake District, a region of breathtaking natural beauty that has captivated poets and artists for centuries. Here, rolling hills give way to shimmering lakes, their surfaces reflecting the ever-changing colours of the sky. Hike through verdant valleys carved by ancient glaciers, each step revealing a new vista of awe-inspiring splendour. Our journey takes us next to Liverpool, a city on the banks of the River Mersey with a soul fueled by music. This is, after all, the birthplace of the Beatles, the Fab Four who took the world by storm. Follow in their footsteps with a visit to the legendary Cavern Club, where the band honed their skills before achieving global stardom. From the Royal Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra to the vibrant street music scene, Liverpool pulsates with a love for music that is contagious. From the vibrant energy of Liverpool, we journey to Oxford, a city steeped in history and renowned for its world-leading university. Step inside the hallowed halls of Oxford University, one of the oldest and most prestigious academic institutions in the world, and feel the weight of centuries of scholarship. Explore the Bodleian Library, a treasure trove of knowledge with its soaring ceilings and endless shelves of books. Wander through the cobbled streets, past grand colleges with their elegant architecture and verdant quads, and you'll understand why Oxford is considered a haven for intellectual pursuit. Our next stop takes us to Windsor, a town steeped in history and inextricably linked with the British monarchy. Towering over the town is Windsor Castle, the oldest and largest occupied castle in the world, a majestic symbol of royal power and heritage. Explore the castle's opulent state apartments, walk through the historic St. George's Chapel, and witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Stroll along the River Thames, its banks lined with charming cafes and restaurants, or explore the quaint shops and historic pubs that line the town's cobblestone streets. From the regal elegance of Windsor, we travel to Manchester, a city that pulsates with a dynamic energy. Once a powerhouse of the Industrial Revolution, Manchester has undergone a remarkable transformation, emerging as a thriving hub of culture, commerce, and creativity. Indulge in some retail therapy in the Northern Quarter, a trendy district brimming with independent boutiques, vintage shops, and record stores. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant art scene at the Manchester Art Gallery, home to an impressive collection of pre-Raphaelite paintings, or catch a show at the Royal Exchange Theatre. Get ready to experience the legendary warmth and humour of the Glaswegian people as we explore Glasgow, Scotland's largest city. This vibrant metropolis, situated on the banks of the River Clyde, is a city that embraces life with open arms. Explore the city's Victorian heart, with its grand architecture and elegant squares, a testament to Glasgow's prosperous past as a centre of shipbuilding and trade. Discover the Glasgow School of Art, a masterpiece of Art Nouveau design, and lose yourself in the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, home to a treasure trove of art and artefacts from around the world. Escape the city bustle and journey with me to the Cotswolds, a region of rolling hills, honey-coloured villages, and idyllic countryside. Wander through picturesque villages with names like Bourton-on-the-Water, often called the Venice of the Cotswolds for its charming bridges that cross the River Windrush. Explore ancient market towns like Stow-on-the-Wold, with its historic market square and charming shops, or visit the magnificent Sudeley Castle, steeped in history and surrounded by glorious gardens. Our final destination takes us to Bath, a city renowned for its Roman heritage, Georgian architecture and warm hospitality. Step back in time at the Roman Baths, a remarkably well-preserved complex of baths and temples dating back to the 1st century AD, and marvel at the ingenuity of Roman engineering. Take a stroll along the elegant curves of the Royal Crescent, a masterpiece of Georgian architecture, and imagine the lives of the wealthy residents who once graced its grand houses. As our journey through the United Kingdom draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for the diversity, beauty, and enduring spirit of this island nation. So, pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of the United Kingdom.